Something strange hunts diplomats in Moscow. Russian hackers slipped malware called ApolloShadow into embassies, disguised as antivirus protection. A digital wolf in antivirus clothing. The infection does something bizarre. It plants a secret master key that lets hackers become every website you trust. Banks, email. They digitally shapeshift to steal everything. Meet Secret Blizzard. Ghostly hackers who once stole Ukrainian military tech. Microsoft thought they only attacked Russia's enemies. But here's what changed. The shocker. They're hiding inside Russia's own internet, using state surveillance systems that watch everything. Your connection. Right now, it might be theirs.